A lot of people hate getting up in the morning, that's obvious. But what makes it worse is the annoying sound of the alarm clock, that buzzing. So this French company, SensorWake, is trying to solve that by developing an alarm clock that doesn't use sound to wake you up. It uses smell. The way it works is it's a simple clock, but it has a little slot in the top where these sensor capsules fit in. These capsules have different smells that are slowly released, and it supposedly wakes you up over 1 to 2 minutes. Now, these smells, they claim, have been developed as smells that wake you up. So the smells are coffee, chocolate, croissant. There's one that smells like a beach, like you're on vacation. There's even one that for Kickstarter backers smells like money. That's a special one. They claim it smells like a dollar bill. I don't know exactly why that would want you to wake up. Maybe you're ready to go make some money for the day, or maybe it just has something to do with that particular scent. SensorWake claims they've tested this on 100 people and it worked about 99% of the time. Really, they only think it doesn't work if you have a stuffy nose or a cold. So there is a backup regular alarm. So if you do sleep through that smell, you'll wake up 3 minutes later with your backup alarm. Now the clock will be available for regular purchase for just over $100 and expected to ship in June. The only other downside is the sensor packs cost $10 for 2, and they only work about 30 times before the smells kind of run out. So you are looking at about a $5 a month fee to kind of get those smell packs if you're using it every day. But other than that, if you really hate the sound of the alarm clock in the morning, this could be an interesting product to wake you up and get you ready to go to work.